Hey guys, how are we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Yeah, just let me know that the sound is okay, as I have had a couple of problems with it recently. Basically I had to update my recording software, and when I updated it I didn't realise it basically reset all the settings, so I wasn't using the right mic or the right settings. But hopefully that's sorted now anyway. So let's go over to the charts. So yeah, interesting. Well, first off, I'll start with the trade that I basically just put on now. Obviously, we've been supported by this trend line in this triangle, and I've also got an eye on stock markets, which are looking pretty strong here. Also, oil making a move, which I think is a move to a stagflationary environment, which is basically inflation with low growth. Low economic growth, and I think that is going to drive commodities higher, and Bitcoin is basically classed as a commodity, so I've taken a long basically at this level, literally just under 9,300, to target the top of the triangle and then potentially breaking out, but the initial target top of the triangle, and my stop is actually pretty much where we've got this line here, just below this support. So even if we break this trend line, have a wick down, I'd hope to get supported here. If we don't, I obviously can't hold the trade longer than that. But I put it over on my TradingView here. Look, so it's been published. So yeah, 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that's obviously good. Keep taking those trades, and you should do okay, as long as you're taking. As long as you're putting some technical analysis edge behind it, and not just having a laugh. But yeah, here it is anyway. Yeah, there's your risk, there's your reward. But like I said, if we get up here, there is no reason why we can't blast out the top and then go up to 11.5k. And if we got to 11.5k, it'll obviously massively skew the risk reward. I'll do that real quick anyway, just so you can see what potentially is the potential. Everything's potential, right? Okay, nothing's guaranteed. It's just a trade. It's just a statistical edge. Just pop that on there. Pop that about, where was it? About 9,300. It doesn't really matter. Those are small details when obviously we're going to extend this up to 11,500. But yeah, so here we go. Just say we just hit that. That is a 1 to 12, a 12 to 1, risk reward ratio. So that's obviously epic. Obviously epic. We are expecting an expansion of volatility, potentially one in a direction. I am expecting a 2k move. There's one of the trade scenarios. So we'll see how that one plays out, won't we? We'll all find out together. But anyway, at least the trade's looking a bit better at the moment. Looks like we are making a bit of progress through those 9,300s. So anyway, yeah, so let's go back to our analysis. So basically, yeah, I pretty much just summed up my analysis. It's a case of we either get supported here, make our way up, make our way back above 9,500, and also and then pump on through. If we don't, then here is basically, I think this is the confirmation of the downside. Closing some candles below this level, where I've obviously got this line drawn from the other day, is what I think will trigger the move, like about 2k down. So obviously further than that arrow there, and then obviously a move up will trigger a move above here. I believe is going to trigger the move to a move 2k up, which is obviously more than that candle there. But yeah, the candle initially points to the 10.5k region. But yeah, I think we have got fireworks coming soon, and obviously at the moment I'm positioned long just because obviously the level that we're at. I will potentially look to add to this long as well, once we break over this level, then once we break over this level, and then if we break over this level, then yeah, and then if we break over this level, then yeah. So, but hey, that's not necessarily going to happen. It's just what I'm looking at. Obviously all bets are off. We break below here, I would be hesitant about flipping and going short straight away, because I am a bit cognizant of the sort of crazy wicks we can get, and then the buy up a lot of what I'm saying is predicated on other markets going up, like gold looking strong, oil looking strong, and stock markets looking strong. I don't think Bitcoin is then just gonna just fall out of bed whilst all these other markets are going up. So let's look at for our Stokes. For our Stokes is getting to a zone where it could potentially very easily turn around. I mean, where we're at now, we don't spend a lot of time at this level or below this level, so that's potentially turning around. 12-hour Stokes maybe, I was going to say 12-hour Stokes maybe looking a bit problematic, but they're not. These 12-hour Stokes looking really good. This is looking really good. I mean, this is looking really good. This is looking like, this is basically not financial advice, obviously, as you know. This is looking like a really good risk reward trade. Obviously, I've shown you the risk reward. I've showed you the actual, these oscillators, which are looking good. I know 4 hours beaten up, but that's obviously can turn up. 12-hour is looking really good, and I guess daily. I mean, Daily's at a trend line that we have. I don't know whether we did draw or not, but yeah, daily's basically at a trend line, so that can turn around. And also then, so that obviously that's the oscillators, and then obviously here, what was I going to say? Yeah, pattern wise, we've got a pattern, so we've got a chart pattern as well, which is the bullish chart pattern. We are basically off the back of a bullish move up, and we've got that, so we've got basically the oscillators, we have got the chart pattern, we are at the the perfect buy point for this chart pattern. Either we basically go up and break this pattern, or we break down, and that should stop. And then we also have stock markets, which we know obviously we're heavily correlated to, looking like they are making a bit of a beeline to the upside, even potentially forming a bit of an ascending triangle themselves. So yeah, I mean, it's just an edge, guys. It's just a trade. I am cognizant of the fact that I may come across as a bit of a moon boy, but I don't. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are welcome to think that. You know what I mean, basically, you're welcome to think that. But I mean, a lot of you, obviously, you guys are obviously pay attention more to what I'm saying. You know that I just look at the technical analysis and stuff, and I don't really. I backed up my views, my bullish overall views, enough times for you guys to know that's what it's based on, and it's not just based on hoping Bitcoin goes up. Do I hope Bitcoin goes up? Yeah, of course. I also do hope Bitcoin goes up. So I mean, in that respect, yeah, okay, you could probably call me a moon boy in that respect, but it's not influencing my decision making process. If you guys understand what I mean. So anyway, that's all I've really got for this morning. Again, similar to yesterday, waiting for a big breakout. I mean, we're at a level now that we could potentially now blast off from. So obviously every day that goes by, the nearer we get into that breakout. The breakout's going to happen one day. Break up or break down is going to happen one day. And obviously every day that passes and it doesn't happen, we get closer to that day. That's just how time works. But anyway, so yeah, check out TradingView. Wrong. Yeah, this one. Yeah, check out the TradingView. And yeah, let's see if today is the day. On the bear side, just the one element of the bear side is obviously we are down near this low, so we're closer to breaking this level than we are breaking this level. And then also we have got basically options expiry and month end rebalancing and lots of stuff going on today. So we could actually see some volatility in the stock market. So if that volatility is to the downside, then yeah, I mean, expect pressure on Bitcoin. Yeah, expect pressure on Bitcoin. Anyway, right, so remember, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Let me know in the comments, guys, if the if the sound is okay. Also, yeah, let me know in future if the sound isn't okay, because only a couple of people let me know, and I'm sure obviously all of you were thinking this is awful. But yeah, right, I'll speak to you guys soon.